Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to get free tokens from the Blooket events. Please follow guys this video step by step. Now let's go start. As you can see, now I have 12 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username Blueface1. You need your username to collect these tokens. Open a new tab and here you need searching www.go-token-pro. As you can see, this is the website. I press enter and as you can see it's loading. Here you choose how much tokens do you want. Here you need enter your Blooket username, as you can see Blueface1. I press generate. Now generating is running. Don't close or refresh the page guys. I wait to loading. It's very easy. It's work on any device, Android, iOS, computer. As you can see, this is reset activity. This person uses iOS, Android. It's work on any device. Now I use my computer, but you can use your phone. As you can see, this person uses desktop. This is website status online, last update, online users. Remember, digital is safe to use. You don't have probably ban. We never ask you to enter your account password. You don't have to download any external tools. How does this event work? For complete on of partner survey. You can enter to untie 3000 coins. This text is not repeating. You can get more of 3000 coins. People comments guys. This is people vote. It work for you, yes or no. As you can see, success. Blueface1 is connected. The resource is ready. Transfer to user. Guys, please like this video, subscribe and share this video with your friends for more tutorials. If you need help, leave a comment and I will help you with every questions. You don't like a robot, please verify that you're human. This is human verification, just verify now. Human verification request, verify survey, complete a request below and Blooket token you will be sent in your account. You understand, you need to complete one of these survey. I select the survey. As you can see, access on 2 easy steps. Click continue to send a SMC to, as you can see, I need to send a SMC to this number. It's checking for completion. Now guys, I put the video on pause because I can send a SMC and record it at the same time, but I'll be back in 2 minutes. Good guys, I send the SMC on this number and now you need return here. As you can see, it's finished. Now you can close all tabs. And as you can see in my Blooket page, I received this notification. Congratulations, you just received 100,000 tokens from the Blooket sponsor. I press climb, and now as you can see, guys, I have 100,000 tokens in my Blooket account. As you can see, this is my username. Now I want to prove this. I buy a package. I buy this package. As you can see, yes. As you can see guys, it's working. Just follow this video step by step. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.